Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my version for that famous Carrabbas Mama's chicken soup. So if you'd like to see how to make this amazing soup, keep watching. So guys, to make this soup, we're starting in a pot. You're going to use a stock pot or a soup pot. I'm going in with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. When the oil is hot, go in with some chopped onions. In with one pimento pepper. You can use a hot pepper if you wanted to, or a Fresno chili would work well here. Some chopped celery, some chopped carrots, and you'll notice how small I have the vegetables cut. I'm also going to go in with some sweet peppers, red and green chopped. And I'm just going to give this a mix. I'm going to season with some black pepper and some salt. And give that a mix. So we're just going to let this saute in here for about 5 minutes, just to bring out some of the flavor in those vegetables. Okay, now I'm going to go in with one tomato chopped, and I'm going in with one large potato chopped. Just give that a mix. Now you'll notice the potato is actually bigger than everything else. That's because the potato would break down quicker than the other vegetables. So we can always mash that with the back of our spoon. If it's too big, or if you like it that size, you can leave it. Now to this, I have to add in my chicken, and I have here one chicken breast that I had seasoned in my refrigerator just with some all-purpose seasoning, guys. You don't need a whole lot of seasoning. Salt and pepper would work fine. That goes in there. And I'm using a chicken breast, but as I said, you guys can use any other parts of the chicken you want. So now I'm going to cover this with water. And if you wanted to use chicken stock or vegetable broth, you can. I'm gonna add in a little more of that water. It's about 5 cups in total. And I'm gonna add some more flavor to this. So you guys know I like using my Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to go in with some of that. Because we're not using homemade stock, or we're not using stock on the whole, we really need to flavor this broth. And I'm also going to go in with some of this Maggie chicken bouillon powder. So guys, just add a little at a time. You can always taste and adjust, but you don't want to over put and it gets too salty. So we need to bring this up to a boil. So I'm gonna crank my heat up to a medium high and let it come up to a simmer. So guys, the soup has come up to a simmer and the chicken breast is actually done. So what I want to do is just go in and take that out, because we need to return it to the pot, right? So even if it's halfway cooked, that's okay. I'm just gonna shred this up and then I'll see you guys right back. So guys, to shred the chicken, it's really easy. You're just gonna take your fork and just pull against the meat like this, and it's gonna shred really easy for you. So I'm just gonna return the chicken to the pot. So guys, once you put in the chicken, you're going to take your potato masher and you're just gonna mash down on some of the vegetables. If you know about this soup, you'll know that when you get it, the vegetables are a little bit mushy or mashed down. It's not completely, it doesn't completely stand up. So you just want to do that, and then we'll also be breaking up some of the potato pieces too at the same time, because as I told you guys, I did cut that big for this reason. Now to this, I'm going in with my pasta, and I'm using a small pasta, hence the reason why we just need about 5 minutes to cook this. It's called ditalini, and I'm gonna go in with that. I don't want a ton of pasta in here So this just needs about 5 minutes to cook. If you want more pasta in here, of course, feel free to add more. And guys, if you're serving this at a later date, I suggest boiling the pasta al dente separately and just pouring that broth or that soup over your pasta, so you'll have nice pasta when you have to serve this. So I'm gonna let this finish cook and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, after you try this recipe, make sure and thank me because it's that good. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below what you think. I hope you guys stay safe. Make sure and stay inside. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.